Welcome to the installation guide for the MOTOISM license plate holder and Honda Neo indicator for the Honda CB650 and CBR 650R. Before we begin, make sure the motorcycle is stable and on a level surface. Lay out all supplied parts and confirm your tools are ready before starting the installation. Begin by removing the passenger seat or seat cowl using your key. Then remove the rider's seat by loosening the two bolts at the rear. Continue by loosening the Allen bolts holding the bodywork in place. Remove two from the front sides and two at the rear of the tail. Next, remove the plastic clips that further secure the bodywork. Use a small screwdriver or Allen key to push the center pins inward, then pull the clips out completely. Remove all clips that hold the panels in place. On each side of the bike, there will be one on the outside of the panel, one on the top at the tail section, and two on the inside. The clips on the inside are located where the toolkit normally sits and hidden behind the sides of the battery. Remove the battery if you want better access to these. Carefully remove the bodywork. Unclip the rear panels from the side panels by slightly bending the side panels outward and releasing them. Then remove the tail section panels as one unit. Access the wiring under the seat and locate the connectors for the rear indicators and the license plate light. The orange and blue plugs are your indicators, and the white plug in between is your license plate light. Disconnect all three. Now move to the rear of the motorcycle and begin removing the original license plate holder assembly. Start by loosening the rear bolts and rest the plate holder on the rear wheel. Note that these bolts can be quite tight. Feed the wiring through and fully remove the original license plate holder. If you are reusing the original indicators, disassemble the original license plate holder to remove them. In this guide, we will be installing the MOTOISM Honda Neo Lightrun indicators. The process is exactly the same for the Honda Neo Short, or very similar when reusing the originals. Next, prepare the MOTOISM license plate holder for installation. We will install the Honda Neo Lightrun indicators with the included spaces. First, click the plastic rings into place in the spaces. These prevent the indicator from moving once installed. Feed the wiring through the spaces and the license plate holder and secure the indicators onto the holder using the supplied hardware. Now proceed to mount the license plate light. Fasten it in place using a wrench and a 5mm in-bus at the top of the light. Now install the license plate holder onto the motorcycle. Align the mounting points and reuse the original bolts. We recommend applying a small amount of thread locker to the bolts to prevent them from loosening over time. Thread all bolts in by hand first, then tighten them firmly. Route the wires for the indicators and license plate light into the tail section of the motorcycle. Secure them to the license plate holder using the small zip ties. Cut off any excess from the zip ties. Now take your MOTOISM adapter cables and connect them to the indicators. Plug them directly into the original connectors. Route the adapter cables and light wiring neatly out of the way and secure them with zip ties where needed. Push the rubber holder for the original connectors back into its mounting position. Now that the license plate holder and new indicators are installed, we can reinstall the bodywork. Start with one side panel at a time. Clip the panel back into the front section and gently push it to snap it into the lower section. Proceed to click in the original clips. To insert these clips, pull the pin out slightly, insert them into the hole and push the pin back down. Snap the tailpiece back into place by gently pushing it down. Repeat this on the other side and reinstall all remaining clips. Screw the in-bus bolts back into place. And reinstall the rider's seat and passenger seat. Do a final check on all mounting points and wiring. Confirm all bolts are properly secured, the wiring is routed cleanly, and the indicators and license plate light function correctly before heading out for a ride. Your installation is now complete. Install the license plate onto the holder and enjoy your new MOTOISM Honda Neo indicators and license plate holder.